Hey guys, and welcome back to Vlogs and Frogs. My name's Ryan Peterson, for those of you who don't know, and today we're going to talk about our little friend crawling around right here. This is a stink bug, and no, he doesn't stink really. Most of the time it's just when you squish them. But yeah, we're going to get into a whole bunch of cool stuff because he's just crawling around for me. To be honest, a minute ago he flew away and I couldn't find him. I've been looking around this place for him. We're at Jefferson Memorial Park right now, and there he is, crawling around on me. So let's just get into it and let's talk about this super dope critter. Now, these little cuties also get called the green soldier bug. Now, this nickname comes from the fact that their green little bodies are shaped kind of like a shield. Now, not like Captain America's, but still pretty cool. They are found green or even yellowish, but are most commonly a very bright green. They average in length between 13 to 19 millimeters, so they're pretty small. Now, they start as little eggs attached to the bottom of leaves. They look like tiny barrels, to be honest. Those tiny barrels start as a very light green, and right before hatching, they become more pinkish red. Then, tiny little nymphs come out. These look nothing like the adults, but they're the tiny versions. They start as tiny black and red round beetles, but as they grow, they go through instars, which are the phases of molting the old skin as they grow and become bigger. Their final molt gives them their fully functional wings and a bright green color. And then they go live their adult lives. And that entire process from egg to adult actually only takes about 35 days. Isn't that kind of crazy? That's a quick time to grow up. These little bugs become active in the first warm times of spring. And this is also when mating occurs. And if the weather stays warm, they'll live for about 2 whole months. Now, during the colder months, the young will actually hibernate in leaf litter or tree bark until the warmer temperatures come. Now, some of these cuties' favorite host plants that support their lives are blackberry and elderberry, flowering dogwood, basswood, and pine trees. These bugs are also pests to many important crops, such as apples, apricots, asparagus, beans, cherries, corn, cotton, eggplant, peach, pear, peas, soybeans, tobacco, and tomatoes. And plenty more. They're very, very bad pests. So you don't really want to catch them out near your garden because they'll destroy it very quickly. Now, the most notable thing about these bugs is the stinking part. They have specialized glands in their thorax that are filled with a chemical cocktail that produces a mix of odors. When they are threatened, they release these chemicals onto a part of their back that helps them evaporate easier, thus putting them into the air at a quicker speed. Now, most predators don't mess with them because of this. That helps them to be such bad pests, because they stink. Woo! So you don't want to squish them. You really want to trap them under a cup, slide a piece of paper under, and go let those things outside, because you'll regret squishing them. And this is only an overview of one stink bug species. There are over 5,000 identified species of stink bugs in the world. Isn't that absolutely bonkers? 5,000 stinkers. Little stinker soldier bugs. What a legacy. I'm gonna go now and try to make my own stinking cocktail. So I love you guys, and I'll see you later.